Hello people, and welcome to my YouTube video. Now in this YouTube video I am going to be having a race between the Macintosh LC, my iMac G5 and my Mac Mini G4. If I just quickly show you what they look like. Right, there you go, that is the Macintosh LC. Go to the right, there is the iMac G5. And if you look right down at the bottom of my desk, there is the Mac Mini G4. Right, so if I set the camera up over here and position the camera in the right place. Right, here we go. Right, here we go. My mate David is going to be operating the Macintosh LC, and I will be operating the iMac G5 and the Mac Mini G4. So when you're ready, David, let's get this race underway.
3, 2, 1, go.
As you can see, they've all started at the same time. As you can see, the Macintosh had its logo first, but the iMac's got its Apple logo. But nothing from the G4 yet, but we'll find out. Welcome to Macintosh. So really, this is a race between the iMac G5 and the Macintosh LC. Oh, there's the G4's Apple logo. Whoops. Well, there you have it, folks. The iMac G5 has won the race. So now it's between the iMac Mac Mini G4 and the Macintosh. And there you have it. The Macintosh beat the G4. Well, thank you for watching this YouTube video, and hopefully we'll do another one.